like me, big guns, they ain't got no pose like we do. He don't grab the smoke like me. Spin the wheel, let me toast like me. Moving the ups, that's the usual. Nobody cares what you used to be. They couldn't even tell you what they used to do. Cause what they used to do is what they do now. Like, come to the block, get run down, sun's out, guns out.
Bro, yo, man, y'all shit going. Yo, UK music going hard.
On a play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against my thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move around the sound.
Yo, I'm going people who don't know say boy Jambisco and I'm there with a night hit and smash out. Bang! Guys, you don't see already from the time to see what we're doing today. Yeah, man. From special requests and special demand from my UK family and from people all over. Y'all been requesting this artist. Y'all been requesting this artist known as Abra Cadabra. Yeah, we're gonna check him out today. We're gonna check out this song that he dropped like a month ago entitled Spin the Coupe. Yeah, man, we're gonna see what's going on. I don't know, I like the UK. We've been checking out the UK drill and stuff, and it's been pretty late, guys, so you don't know. If you're new to the channel, guys, I wanna ask that you go ahead and hit that like, comment, share, and subscribe button, and turn on your post notification bells so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, I appreciate y'all. We're growing strong over here. We're growing as a family, guys. I just want to thank you for Thanksgiving with 500 subs. So I just want to thank you guys for that. Christmas is coming around the corner, and my birthday is in January. So, guys, I was really hoping we could hit 1,000 subs by then. I know we can do it. We're growing strong over here. We're a great family, great community. I know we can do it. So go ahead, smash the like button. You feel me? Comment, share, and subscribe. You feel me? And turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And yes, guys, as I was saying, yeah, I've been requested to do this song by Abra Cadabra. Abra Cadabra, entitled Spin the Coupe. We've been requesting to do this for quite some time now. You know, Abra Cadabra is a UK rapper, and yeah, we're gonna check it out today to see what exactly is going on. You feel me? Hopefully it's a hit or a smash or a banger, you know, people. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the track. This is Abra Cadabra song, Spin the Coupe. Let's get it.
You know, always, nowhere, get right, get left, and get stretched through the jealous 10 times, you know.
Hey man, I really like my UK music, the videos, the artists, the style. I just remember so much of dancehall now. Like, yo, come on, we're like one big family on this thing. Yo, cut, bro. It was all black, yeah?
Man, done told you already, man, spin that coupe. When we see your up boy hop out, man, beat that. See the up block shit, man, sweet that. Smooth, criminal shot, taste that shit, one thing more. I'ma go make a up.
No. Too fucking crazy, man. Too crazy. We gotta start this shit from the top. This is Abra Cadabra. Yo, I was supposed to bin check this nigga from the time we did 81 thing. We was bin checking him out, but never check him out, bro. But come on, we gotta get it. What?
You know, always, nowhere, get right, get left, and get stretched through the jealous 10 times, you know. Yeah. Man, done told you already, man, spin that coupe. When we see your up boy hop out, man, beat that. See the up block shit, man, sweet that.
Hold on, man. What the fuck? Come on, nigga. Abra Cadabra, bro. I fuck with your flow, cuz.
Man done told you already, man, spin that coupe. When we see your up boy hop out, man, beat that.
Man done told you already, man, spin that coupe. When we see your up, man, hop out and beat that. Hey, let's get it.
Block shit, man, sweet that. Smooth, criminal shot, taste that shit, one thing more. I'ma go make a up boy bleed. Don't worry, I'ma be back. Shot even in over, so I lean back.
I love music like this. I love music like this. I love music that's different. You feel me? Something I don't normally listen to, but I'm telling you, bro. I love this. I love English. I love UK drill, bro. You feel me? I love UK music. I've been listening to UK music, but I don't know who's popping right there on the ground. I just be listening like random niggas. You feel me? Like Skepta and who else? Damn, I know. Dog, I gotta go back to my YouTube music playlist, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. I like this shit, bro. This shit hard. Hey, Abra Cadabra, let's get it, bro.
To the left, on my right, keep thinking everything nice. To be tech man's life, you could have been a murderer, could have been a terrorist. We don't care, we just slap these lines. They all just come back and I'm better
Could have been a murderer, could have been a terrorist. We don't care, we just slap this 9, bro.
than ever. And this time I'm popping off and then whenever the weather straight win is all else, just me and my brothers. All people, I'm not go-getters, they ain't so like me.
You feel me? No, what's that? All with no else, just me and brothers. No, we straight go get it. Lord.
So like me, big guns, they ain't got no pose like we do. He don't grab the small like me. Spin the wheel, let me toast like me. Moving the ups as they usual. Nobody cares what you used to be. They couldn't even tell you what they used to do. Cause what they used to do is what they do now. Like, come to the block, get run down. Sun's out, guns out.
Yo, man, y'all shit going. Yo, UK music going hard, bro. UK drill is hard, bro. Bro, this is what inspired New York drill, bro. I'm telling you, UK drill going hard. This shit going ham, my nigga.
And now you gotta run now. 9mm get compound. And if you're just another nigga trying to get clout, you don't need a gunshot. You can get him at compound. The man a little man, we ain't gotta bring guns out. I spin this kick.
Them man a little man, we got big guns up. Baumak, eh.
To the left, to the right, still ain't seen a nigga in sight. Last time that I saw that block on my eyes, had to angle my arms, slapping out carbine. Flow up blocks, man's doing up purging, lurking. If it's from any one of them blocks, there is curtain. Swing that, dig it and turn it. Rise that something and burst him. Squeeze on the lead with it, shooting everybody. You don't wanna be seen with a gun. Like chin that make you bleed on it. I can never see it up.
Hey, bro, easy. Why this nigga going in like that, bro? You man say, yo, from home, everybody here get carbine. How the fuck? Abra Cadabra, my G. Hey, yo, dog. People that's watching this, send me more UK drill. Send me more artists to listen to. Send me more music to listen to. Please, bro. I'm really enjoying this shit, bro. I got so much. Hey, I have one of my subscribers send me like a list of music, bro. I'm gonna check out all of them, bro. You feel me? But this Abra Cadabra been on the list to listen to. He's like one of the first artists I got requested to do. I think even before OFB. You feel me? I just did OFB first. But Abra Cadabra, bro, nigga. You gon' have my G.
We don't deal with it, we don't do no rap cap. We make WhatsApp. If he's up, man, steaming him. Filling up a nigga, can we put some teeth in him? With a broom and sweeping him. Man, told you already, man, spring that Coupe. When we see your up boy hop out, man, beat that. See the up block shit, man, sweep that. Smooth, criminal, Shantae said shit, one thing more. I'ma go and make a up boy bleed, don't worry, I'ma be back. Shantae bending over, so I lean back.
Every see how you that said she want him word. What the fuck was it? Hey, what do you say?
See the up block shit, man, sweep that. Smooth, criminal, Shantae said shit, one thing more. I'ma go and make a up boy bleed, don't worry, I'ma be back. Shantae bending over, so I lean back. Beat that. Gangsters to the left, on my right, keep thinking everything nice. To be tech man's life, you could have been a murderer, could have been a terrorist. We don't care, we just slap these lines. They all just come back and I'm better than ever. And this time I'm popping off and then whenever the weather straight win is all else, just me and my brothers. Off beef, farm block, go-getters. Come to the block, get run down. Sun's out, guns out. T got it, now you gotta run now. 9mm get compound. And if you're just another nigga trying to get clout, you don't need a gunshot, you can get him at compound. The man a little man, we ain't gotta bring guns out.
Wow.
He had a case of the old, so we stepped and dipped and fucked them youths trying to drip and rizzy. We used to be friends, now it's drills on there, I'm assisting. Rise this wap, I'm attempted to lift and pitch him. Come a long way from shanking, man, I'm afflicting. The roads got serious, now it's a 3-8 dot or afflicting. So, if I do it for you, would you do it for me? Do it for my cardi, lie to the police, where we go, show me.
Hey, Bombo Clark. Hey, that was dope. That was fucking dope. That was ill. That was Abra Cadabra. New song entitled Spin the Coupe. Hey, from I heard the title, I already knew what type of song that was. I was know gonna be some spin the block type shit, sweep the street type shit. And from I seen the street sweeper in the video, already it was confirmed. You feel me? That was a dope track, man. That dope flow from Abra Cadabra. You got a sick style. Yo, UK drill just go hard, dog. Like, yo, I really enjoy listening to that, guys. Send me some new music and more videos so I can react to for real. Cause, yo, I think mad, man, not lie. Yo, this style different, dog. It's like dancehall music. You see me, the rap dancehall. You know all this come from dancehall. Anyway. Rap music came from dancehall. UK rap came from rap music, but UK drill, they made their own thing, UK drill. And then hip hop over here made New York drill from UK. So it's like everybody connected, like one big family. Music is all connected, bro. We all connected, you feel me? No matter the country we live in, you see what we're going through, we all connected. We all one big family, bro. We gotta realize that, man. It's like, it's real dope. We all united through music, bro. It's like, it's crazy. Send me more music so I can react to, man. That was Abra Cadabra song entitled Spin the Coupe. You don't know if you like it, go show the artist some love. Check it out when you know that Jambisco send you. Yo, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop the fire emoji, garbage can emoji, you know, whatever you think it is. Let me know in the comment section. You feel me? Because I'm really interested in hearing y'all feedback, man. And yo, a real dope shot, guys. I really enjoyed that. Send me some more. Y'all coming in with the bangers, man. Send me some more videos. We gonna react to, man. I really love it, man. We're going strong over here. You feel me? Once again, it's your boy Jambisco is here now, and I hit and I smash my banger. Until next time, guys, I want to thank you for joining me. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.